Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize volume bar on Samsung Galaxy A05. Simply open the Chrome, search here up to down, tap on this website, tap on search icon, search here sound assistant, tap on this application, simply scroll down, tap on download, tap on download again, tap on open, tap on simply install. Now tap on open, allow the permissions, tap on allow. Now go in, make your own volume panel colors. Simply enable the flex volume UI. If you scroll down, here you get customization. For example, you can select different lightning colors. I am selecting this one. If you scroll down more, here you get textures. For example, I am selecting mesh. Here you get control type, bar and knob. Now let's try the knob. As you can see, knob is showing. You can simply decrease the volume like this and increase it like this. Now if you more scroll down, here you get shape of knob. I am selecting bar again. Here you get bar shapes. This is how you can customize volume bar on Samsung Galaxy A05. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel for more information like this.